Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to show y'all what's in our Hotshot trucking business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, I'm going to give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we are then going to go ahead and take a look at the Word document portion of my Hotshot business plan template. I'll show you what's included, how it's written, the style, the quantity of information, pretty much everything you need in order to make an informed decision as to whether my Hotshot trucking business plan template is going to meet your individual needs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation that I've concocted for your listening and viewing pleasure. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional business writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement of filling out a business plan template, please pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to do it for you, whether it be a custom written business plan or even completing the business plan template for you. I do provide services aligned with your needs. Also, I am a business writer. I'm an author of several business books, and those books can be found on Amazon.com. A lot of my books are for business plan writing, go figure. But if you do need some assistance in that regard and you want to check out a book so you have something tangible to feel free to check me out there. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if your business plan is ready to go, but those pesky pro forma financial projections are just giving you a hassle, again, be delighted to put together your financial projections for you, whether it be in a business plan or separately. I do offer financial projections completions on a separate package. All right, enough of the infomercial. Let's talk about the Hotshot trucking business plan template. So the template is able to be purchased on my website. I'll give you the link in just a few minutes. So I'll give you the links. If you are interested in buying this Hotshot business plan template, I will give you the link in a few minutes to my website. The Hotshot template does include a Word document, which is this right here. It's pretty much fill in the blank. Get rid of the yellow once you're done. And then also the financial model is included as well, which is customizable. You put your own information in there. I've got a tutorial to help you with that Excel file. All right, so let's go ahead and zip through this little fun document that I've got prepared. The first page right here is going to be your title page. Right here, just put your company name and leave business plan there or take it out. It's up to you. Next is going to be the table of contents. So for the table of contents, once you add a little bit more meat to the bone, you start filling out your Hotshot business plan template. You put your information in there. Inevitably, you're going to get more and more pages. Once you're done filling out your plan, just come up to the table of contents, click Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, and ba-boom, this table will update automatically. Next section is going to be your executive summary section. Again, go through it and just, whatever you see yellow, that's the information that I highly recommend you change. If the information in there is correct, then just leave it. But if it's not, make the changes to it. So you're going to have your Hotshot trucking summary right there, your target market, and then the financial highlights. So here's a neat little thing. These financial highlights right here, what you're going to do is once you're done with the financial models, and this is the financial model right here. Again, I'll go over this information in a separate video. But once you're done with the financial model and you update it, excuse me, you are going to need these three pieces of information right here. So you go to your projections tab, and then you're going to take a look at these three numbers right here. And you're going to see that these three numbers, annual revenues, are aligned with annual revenues right here. Expenses, $374,000 is aligned with cost, and the net profits 103 is aligned with the net profits over here. So when you're doing your financial highlights, just go to your financial model. Once you're complete, go to the projections tab, and this is the first three numbers you're going to be using to complete your financial highlights. Of course, you can go ahead and expand upon those highlights as you see fit, but that's where the information comes from the template. And then finally, here's your funding request. Again, the yellow, make sure you change that information. The next section is going to be the company description section. I do provide a service description for Hotshots or Less Than Loads. Again, you can please feel free to use this description that I put in here or change it out to whatever you like. We've got a company summary up here, competitive advantages. You can go through that information. There is a primary target market section, a pricing strategy section, hours of operation section, location section. If you're going to have an office, use this information. If not, you can always just get rid of it. Business objectives and timeline. This information right here is this is pretty much a miniature strategic plan. I do include it in the business plan just to give the reader a flavor of where your business is going to be going in the future. Next section is industry analysis. Industry reviewed is the local specialized trucking industry in the U.S. These numbers are up to date as of the video. I did update this information and updated the model in my on my website as well. SWOT analysis. The way to do the SWOT analysis is broken into strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And if you want to make any of these changes here, you just go ahead and click on that little tiny arrow right here, and then out pops a little menu, and you're going to be able to update the information right there. Next section is going to be the organizational structure. Under the organizational structure, we've got an ownership tab right here where you're just going to put your organization's name, address, and the owner information. Organizational chart, how's your company going to look? If you are going to have drivers, dispatchers, and billing, it's all set, ready to go. If not, if you're not going to have any billing, well, you just delete it, and then the chart will update automatically for you. Next section is going to be the marketing section. Traditional marketing, internet marketing, social media marketing. If you're going to have some other marketing channels that you're going to be exploring for your Hotshot trucking company, then just add it to this section right here. Finally, well, actually not finally, but next is going to be your funding request. In order to start operations, how much money you're going to need. So you're going to put the dollar amount there. What is your term? How long you'll be borrowing the money for? What are the interest rate range you're expected? So all that good information is going to be plugged in right here. Then we get the financial projections. In the financial projections, I do provide you with 12-month profit and loss statements broken into quarterly segments, month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Here's 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 through 9, quarter 3, 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, we do have a pro forma 5-year projection, year 1 through year 5. Now, for this information, again, you do need to fill out this financial model. It has an information page. Again, I will also include, or I do have a tutorial how to use this information to come up with your projections. But the tab is going to be your information page, your projections, profit and loss statement, and then your income statement. So once you're done filling this out, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to the income statement tab or the profit and loss tab. You're going to copy it. You're going to come back over to your Word document. You're going to highlight the old one. You're going to hit Control V, and now you've just updated your income statement with your information. And you're going to do the same thing for the quarter 1 through quarter 4. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful, and that pretty much, you literally just saw what is in the template. So if you like what you see there, you're going to like what you get from my Hotshot business plan template. So in summary, if you like what you see, you're going to like what you buy. And in order to purchase my Hotshot business plan trucking template, just go to qualitybusinessplan.com/Hotshot trucking business plan template. And for the tutorials, I do have tutorials on how to use not only the Word document, which the tutorial is this right here, but also the financial model. There's tutorials available on my website, qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan writing tutorials. And if you don't want to mess with a business plan template, you just want me to write that Hotshot trucking company business plan for you, my prices page is right here, qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan prices 3. And just some real quick disclosures. The business plan template is in a Word document and the financial model is in Excel. So it is not compatible with Google Docs or Apple products. And I do not offer free phone support. If you have questions before you buy your Hotshot trucking company business plan template, feel free to call me, send me a text, send me an email. After the purchase, I will refer you to my tutorials. All right, hopefully this information was helpful, and have a great day. Thank you.